Dan Willis here for YourBadCreditCard.net, and we are talking about what is a secured credit card and how is this different from an unsecured traditional credit card. And the very first difference and the big difference is with a secured credit card, you're going to have to first make a deposit. This deposit is typically between $300 and $2,000. You get to choose. And let me go ahead and get rid of any worries. This deposit is fully refundable as long as you keep your account in good standing, meaning you don't default on your monthly payments. So a secured credit card is going to work very similar to an unsecured credit card or a traditional credit card. You first make your deposit, and let's just say for $300. Then you're going to get issued your major Visa or MasterCard, and this credit card will have a credit limit that is equal to your deposit. So if you deposited $300, you'd have a credit card with a credit limit of $300. You're still going to be responsible for monthly payments, and you will be responsible for paying an APR percentage or an interest rate. As we said, as long as you keep your account in good standing, your deposit's fully refundable. And one of the biggest benefits to getting a secured credit card is that many of them, and this is something you should double check before you apply, but most of them will report your account monthly to all three of the major credit bureaus. This will give you the opportunity to build positive credit on your credit report just by making on-time monthly payments. On a side, with that said, you should receive a little bit more benefit to your credit worthiness and overall credit score if you can keep your monthly balance around 25 to 30% of your credit limit. So if, for example, your credit limit was $500, then you'd want to keep a balance of, less than $200 on your credit card, and that way it makes you appear like you're using your card responsibly. Otherwise, your credit card would be maxed out. Another big benefit to a secured credit card is you're guaranteed to be approved. As long as you make that deposit and you are who you say you are, your identity can be verified, then you're guaranteed to be approved. So the big differences are you first have to make a deposit which secures your credit card and your credit line in case you default on payments. The second benefit is this will report monthly to the credit bureaus. Double check this, but most of them will report monthly to all three major credit bureaus, giving you an opportunity to rebuild and build positive credit. This can really help your credit score, especially if you're suffering from a low one. A few of the better secured credit cards we have seen are the Capital One secured credit card, along with American Express now has a secured credit card, and some of the major banks do as well. Just make sure you check these terms and conditions and make sure that your APR is lower than 20%. You should typically be able to find something between 10 and 20%. Around 15% is probably standard. And again soon